Good afternoon. Today we will be discussing weekly outlook for base metal. In base metal prices up to last week, things have been slightly mixed. We have seen sharp recovery from the lower level in all base metal prices, especially in case of copper, where in last 1 week period we have seen prices has rebounded and closed with a 1%, 1.5% gains. Right now prices are very well placed above 700 level mark. As support has been seen after the dollar weakness has continues to support all commodity. Also, the export data from China was been slightly improving. Economical data from European nations and US also are been supporting. Also, we have seen $2 trillion infrastructure spending bill from US has been the key reversal point for all base metal prices. Since last month we have seen after that package has been announced, we have seen continuously prices are gaining. Inventory is slightly supportive for all base metal prices, whereas we have seen some supply concern or tight supply has been observed from many mines that has been supportive for all base metal. Coming on the individual level side, copper has now breached 700 level mark. We expect unless and until 690 doesn't break, prices can move towards 720 to 730 for in next 1 week period. Zinc prices was continuously gaining about 220 level. Unless and until 220 doesn't break, we expect a breach of 228 level can find a level like 234 to 238 level on higher side. Nickel on the contra has been given a negative return. We have seen last 1 week period prices drop nearly more than 3.5%. But looking to the other base metal, we can see some pullback in the base metal prices, particularly for nickel, and prices can regain to the level of 1250, 1260. Whereas aluminum and lead, both the counter seems to be positive, particularly aluminum, where we have seen a sharp gains on aluminum. Breach of 190 level can find a target of 194, 195. In all, we can say all base metal prices are trading with a positive bias with the support of economical data from China, US and Europe. Consumption are slowly and steadily improving. Dollar weakness is continuously supporting the prices. Only concern is the corona concern, because already we have seen number of cases have been continuously rising. Because of that, prices may be slightly clouded, but overall we expect buy on drop should be the strategy for all base metal prices, with a target what we have suggested. Out of all base metal, we are more bullish in case of copper and zinc price. Thank you.